I guess we're right here and we're gonna play some Roblox. We're here in Roblox. Oh yeah, baby. Should I play a Need for Taken? Impossible na. Oh no. Oh no. Where is it? Where are we gonna go? Let's just play whenever I would like to play. Garden na. Final Destination. Venue Tower na. Let's play dito. I thought spinning. There we go. Roll is a spinning tower too. Yes. This is the one where I don't like. Oh, okay, we're here. Look. No. Why did I don't want to slap hand. No, why? I don't want to slap hand again. I keep looking from the pink one. Let's get away. Not shoot yet. Bro, I cannot even jump there. What am I gonna stop to do like that? That's impossible. Bro, I thought I was gonna die. Go! Yes. Bro, little bro just jump scared me. Bro, there was ladder for the whole time. Please do not slap me. It's not slap tower. This is a spinning tower. Bro, no. Bro. How did I lose? I lose from the... Please do not stop me. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my god. Bro, this is the hardest one. Just go. This is the hardest. No. Oh, I fall. Okay, speed run. I don't care about it when I get hurt. Corrupt nature. Oh my god, thank goodness below there. Oh no, I thought I was full. Go. We're here. So jump all the time. Jump. And this one I died. No, I shouldn't have done like this. No! Oh, thank goodness. I think I appeared in a live video. Oh my god! Why is she not moving? I hate this. Goodbye. I don't want the pants. Let's just... I don't want to rejoin! That's it. And time to go back. What did I just do? Okay. Oh, Nagora finally. Let's see the one. Yeah. Just jumping. Wait. Oh, no, what should I play? Bro, Roblox is playing. No, that's not Roblox. No. Oh, disappeared. Well, it's a spinning tower, but everything. That means I can clap. Oh yes, let's wait a minute. Run for your lives. Slap. Oh, ouch. Hurry up. Bro, this cheating. Ever. Oh, I don't like it. I like it. So it's a spinning tower, but you can slap everybody. Yeah. Go. Yeah, everything is too fast. So a spinning tower, but you have gravity coil. Oh, I hate this. Bro, I almost afraid of the trap. Oh my god. What happens if I just go up right here? Yes, I skipped everything. I don't have to do that wall jump. Wait, oh my god. Wait. No, this is troll of spinning tower. Oh my god. Oh hell, daddy trollers. Wait a minute, I got this. Jump for your life and slap you. Get out of here, bacon. No, run. Free gravity coil. Thank goodness. Bro, we have a slap tower here. What? What? No, run for your life. Run, free. No, run. I have gravity coil. Bacon, you can hurry up from me, but you cannot hurry up more. Bro, that ship. Run for your life. I don't care about the stocking. Run. Oh, this troll. Do not trust everything.
It's raining tacos.
Clock tower. I'm selling glad. Yes, finally. Wait a minute. Go! Go! Wait a minute. No! I don't. Wait a minute. Troll. Troll. Key.
Raining tacos.
Wait a minute.
From the
Wait a minute, I could clap people. Oh. Time to clap. Ready to. Power be live. Yeah. That's it, I'm not. No, that's it. I'm not cheating. Wait, I feel like they changed. I did not. Okay, I'm keeping it, but slap them. Slap, get out of the way. Get out the way. Just right there, no. Okay, I'm speaking this. I know I'm cheating, but I don't care. Close to ingay here. I'm Filipino. Rock. Okay, I'm gonna start asking play. No! Oh, thank goodness. Wait a minute. Wait, I don't care about that. Happening. I'm going first person, that's it. What are you doing? Bro, they're just trolling me if they just No, no, that's the one that I rage.
It's raining tacos.
This. Maybe from your inventory. That's my. Oh yeah. Hello, I will smack you. Oh my god.
It's raining tacos.
Yeah. I'm going to grab it. That's not chicken. I'm going to every single thing. This one's too hard. So I'm just gonna go up.
It's raining tacos.
They just want me to do it because that's why they're visible barrier.
It's raining tacos.
That's it, I'm doing that one. Ow.
It's raining tacos. Right out of the sky.
I don't like to do that.
No need to ask why.
I think I just want to do the crawler one. Yeah.
It's raining tacos. From out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
No!
Out the street.
No! 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 Could be one of that.
It's
Good yes. They just want me to do it. No! They browbeat me! Oh! I hate it. What am I doing? That was like holding it in my hand. Wait, bro. I will shoot you if you're gonna use that. Goodbye. Oh my god! Haha. Thank you, sir. Thank you, mga... Thank you. I'm taking... No, no, no. I'm gonna... It's like... I'm not doing this. I'm thinking. It's raining high again. Hurry up, oh. I just want to do it. I wish there was a thunder. It's raining tacos. Nom 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 nom. Like a dream. Nom 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 nom. Get your sour cream. Why do I sound like this? Bro, I want to skip. No, I'm gonna skip that one. Yes, skipping. Hold on. Oh my god, I skipped. I think this one now. Yes. Yes, I think it is. Skip. Oh my god, it is in the baba. Oh yes, that's cool. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. That's right. I'm a troller. Bye-bye. Go! Oh, go! Oh, you go! Oh, slap, slap! Ah, no! Oh, I'm leaving. Oh, that's it, guys. Now, goodbye.